So, got a story for you. I was going home and my sister, she was gonna pick me up. So I see my sister's car. It's like this burgundy looking thing, and it's an old beat up car, but so I saw it and I was like, oh cool, she picked me up. I walk over there. So I sit down, I open the seatbelt because I'm a very conscientious passenger. I'm just so tired. I just want to go home. I want to go sleep. I need my sleep. I'm hungry. And so I turn around to ask my sister what's for lunch, right? It wasn't my sister. It was some creep. So what's for lunch? I seatbelted as fast as I could, but there was just these 30 seconds of he didn't move, I didn't move, we were just like, and I unseatbelted, and I said, I'm sorry sir, this car looks a bit like my sister's. I was really awkward about it, and my voice was quivering, and that's how I ended up walking home from school in a day in 6th grade.